Hey guys, how you going? So we're out camping again. We're down at the river, but we're at a new spot this time instead of our usual spot. So we've got some new tracks and some new area to explore and a little bit of a competition.
Alrighty guys, we've got the Hilux behind us, also known as the Great White Larks. And standing with me is the owner, Clinton.
Hey there guys, how are we? So this is my car. It's a 2012 N70 Hilux Trayback Auto.
We're going to go through the car. We'll start at the front. Let's go. At the front now, I'll give you to Clinton to tell you what's going on up here.
Yeah, so I'm just running King Spotties on a Osru bull bar. Underneath we've got the Trojan bash plate and then just a plain King's winch running from the bull bar. I've also got the GME aerial as well. And that's pretty much the front there, guys. Yeah, so I'll just quickly run you through the sides. So if you follow me, we've got the heavy-duty steel side steps down here. We just got a roof rack. We got King's lighting all around and a King's awning.
What do you got in the back here, big fella?
Yeah, so I've just got a steel tray on the back here. That's 1800mm. And then I've just got the 1200mm canopy steel as well on the top. All right, we'll open it up now. Currently it's a bit empty. I've only just gone there pretty much, but we've just thrown a small Dometic in there, and then it's just holding tables and chairs and other stuff like that.
So what's the plans for the inside here?
Yeah, so for the inside here, I'm planning to get a full touring setup. I'm going to get a 3000 watt inverter, get an induction cooker because I'm a chef, so it's going to be really food side related to where I can do good food out in the bush. There we go.
Cheers, mate. So that's competition for Rexy Ranger.
Alright, so it's the next day. It's about lunchtime. We're just cooking some lunch up. But I'm going to quickly give you guys a walk around the campsite. This is a new campsite. We haven't been here before. It's pretty close to a campsite that we stayed at a couple of weeks ago. So I'll give you guys a look around. And then tomorrow, we're going to, on the way home, explore a bit more and hit a few tracks. We've got Clinton's set up over here with his Hilux and his swag. Bailey turned up last night, so he's parked this car right here, and he's got his swag, and then we've got Rory's swag, Clinton's driver, because Clinton doesn't have his license. We've got our little seating area, the table, and then Rexy's over at the back, all set up with a rooftop tent. We're at the end of our quick little camping trip, so it's going to be the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and chuck a comment down below who you thought was best, Rexy or the Great White Lux. We didn't do too much extreme 4 driving because neither of the cars are really set up for that. They're both more touring cars, but my personal opinion, Rexy won. We'll catch you guys in the next one.